Let's go through all of Apple's cases for the iPhone 11 line. With new iPhones come new cases. We have collected pretty much all of Apple's new color cases for the new iPhone lineup, the silicone, the leather, and the folios, and we're gonna walk through them all in this video.
Starting off, we have the clear case. Apple debuted the clear case with the iPhone XR, and now it comes to the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. The clear case is a little bit more solid than a silicone case. It feels more rigid than some of the third-party silicone cases that we've seen out there that are clear. It should also resist yellowing better than the bargain bin cases that you're used to finding. That is a big problem with clear cases, and at the beginning you can't really tell that, but after time you can. And we've used the iPhone clear case for quite a while on our XR, and it did hold up well. We did see some minor yellowing, but overall a very solid clear option. Next up is the silicone case. The silicone cases have a nice microfiber lining and that textured silicone outside. It gives some good grip. You can see the repositioned Apple logo to line up with the center as it is on the iPhone 11 lineup. The buttons on the side are slightly different color than the rest of it, a little bit darker to give them some contrast so they don't blend in as much. Otherwise, it is a standard Apple silicone case. Snaps on very easily, adds some extra grip, though it can be a pain to take in and out of the pockets. Fits easily around the camera bump with our mock-up here, our mock-up iPhone 11. And it is important to know that there is an open bottom on both this case, the clear case, and the leather and folio cases from Apple. Some people hate that, some people like it. I kind of like having that bottom open on these cases, gives a little bit more access and a little bit easier to hold. Now, these new colors all are for the iPhone Pro line, though the iPhone 11 still gets the white and black silicone cases. The new colors are this Alpine Green, Alaskan Blue, and Clementine, though Clementine is pretty similar to the Nectarine we saw in the past. Moving on to the leather cases from Apple. So the leather line is very similar to what we saw last year. Not much has changed as far as the lineup of colors. So we still have the product red, black, saddle brown, midnight blue, and forest green. But now for the first time, we have Meyer lemon. There are a lot of little accents that we like on Apple's leather cases, and this is our personal favorite of the 4 different styles that Apple offers. It holds up well and can start to develop a patina after only a couple days of use. Instead of just being printed on there, the Apple logo is recessed and pressed onto the back. The buttons along the sides are anodized aluminum, which gives a little bit more contrast and tactility to the leather cases. It's also just another nice touch of premium versus the silicone or even the clear case. The leather cases still add solid grip, they look great, they develop a patina over time, and they're not so difficult to get in and out of your pocket. Of course, they're a bit more expensive. And speaking of expensive, that brings us to the leather folio. These are still really high quality and one of our favorite cases from Apple. It has nice touches all around, stitching around the edges, and you can see it still has the open bottom. When you open the folio, you can see we have a few pockets on that left-hand side. It'll be one that you can use for cards and bills and a larger pocket behind it for anything extra that you need to carry along. No word on if this is capable to work with Apple Card without discoloring it. And it'll automatically wake and sleep your phone whenever it is opened and closed. It's available both in aubergine and black.
So that pretty much covers Apple's cases. There are a ton of them as usual, so I want to hear you guys' thoughts. Which case was your favorite style and which was your favorite color? Let us know down below in the comments or reach out to me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And if you want to get any of these cases, you can find a link down below in the description. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.